Hello, good morning Year 6, welcome back to another day. It is Tuesday the 12th of May and you are going to have an awesome day ahead of you. Now, as always, before I start this video, I just want to send my warmest wishes to you, to your families and to everyone else around you. I hope that you are all well and safe and you had an awesome, relaxing weekend, plenty of quality time spent together and you stayed away from those computers. Now the announcements for today, just a reminder to keep on top of your work. Send it in as soon as you are done. That way you can forget about it, you get your dojo and job is a good one. In regards to your work, there have been some fabulous story openings, okay? So keep up the great work, keep going, you're doing really, really well. And on to today's work. First of all, this morning you've got mathematics. So as always, watch my video, complete the Kahoot challenge, and then start and finish your work. We are going to be revising angles like we were doing on Friday last week. There are extension activities on Study Ladder if you want to have a go with those, and you can send me your work to mark if you want a dojo. Otherwise, answers will be sent at the end of the day for you to mark them yourselves. English today, we are going to be writing the build-up to your story. So first of all, you need to watch my video to see what 2 things that I want you to include in your writing today. So when you've watched my video and you've seen what 2 things I want you to include, you can then start to write the next part of your story, and that is the build-up, okay? Not the whole story, just the build-up today. Remember, we are going to be writing this over a few days, and I'll be adding different things into each day to what I want you to include. So only write the build-up today, okay? Use the 2 things that I want you to include in your work, and make sure you look at my video. Look at how detailed mine is. That is what I'm expecting from you, okay? I don't want a little paragraph. I want a really good piece of writing. Now, it is a build-up. It might take 2 or 3 paragraphs, and that is absolutely fine. Keep that description going, okay? So to recap, watch the video, get inspiration from my ideas, write your own build-up, and then send it to me so I can get it marked and get it back to you before tomorrow. GCR is Group 1 today. That is Nicole, Juliana, Yassine, and Ariana. I will Skype you at 11:40. Everybody else, same job as usual. You'll need to log on to Book Club and either have a read of a book or you will need to complete one of the many SPAG activities. And then we're on to this afternoon. This afternoon is Russian and computing. So Russian, complete any work for your teachers, join any Skype sessions and send any work to them that needs sending to them. And then it is time to continue with your computing. Now, computing needs to be finished by this Friday. That's Friday the 15th of May. So I would highly, highly recommend that you get it finished today, if possible. Now, my video shows you how to share your work with me. So when you finish your work, watch the video on how to share it, and then send me the message to tell me that you have done that. If you need a couple more days, of course, if you need Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because it's Tuesday today, then you are more than welcome to send that time, but try and get it done as soon as possible and get it sent in as soon as possible. As always, all of this information is on the daily task sheet just below here. So, Year 6, have a lovely day, okay? I'm looking forward to speaking to you this morning, hearing about what you did on this weekend. Otherwise, if you need me, send me a message and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Have a wonderful day, Year 6, and I will speak to you soon. Goodbye.